What's going on, fam? It's your boy Gels and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're gonna talk about getting a full bass. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we're going to talk about getting that full bass sound. If you like me, I love mixing records with bass, man. I love to have that bass cut through a mix. It just takes those songs to the next level. But a bass can also be tricky. Sometimes a bass can be a little overpowering or it can be too flat, man. It's a couple plugins that you can use to just get that perfect bass sound, man. So enough of me talking. I know you guys are wondering what they are and how to do this. So let's head over to the computer and get to work. All right, fam. So you need that bass to really cut through. Need to add some major depth to your bass. All right, so let me play the bass that I have here without any processing on it. Here it is right here. That bass sounds good right there. But now let's bring in the first plugin that I like to use. The first plugin I like to use is the Waves MV2. It's pretty simple. This is the low level, it's the high level, and this is the output. That's all you do. And all you're gonna do is merge these two together till you have a great bass sound. And let's do that right now. All right, let's adjust this low level. Hear that starting to get a little thicker right there. I kind of like that low level right there. Let's bypass it. You can really hear that difference of that low level. Really cutting. Let's bring some of that high level. All right, let's bypass it and then add it in. This is bypassed right here. This is active. Whew. I love this Waves MV2, man. Really had that bass cutting through, as you can hear it. And like I said, adjust that high level a little more. That's adjusting your low level. So like I said, you're just adjusting your low level and your high level till you get the desired sound of that bass that you want. And if it starts to get too hot, that's when you'll scale back this output right here. But like I said, man, I love this Waves MV2. You could really get a great bass sound that you need. That's the first plugin that I use. And here's the second plugin that I use on bass. Woo-wee! Those who know, y'all know, man. This UAD Little Labs Voice of God. This Voice of God had that bass boom, boom, boom. All right, let's play it without it. There you go, guys. I'm playing the bass without it. Now let's turn this thing on. This is the default setting right here. Let's play with the presets really quickly. Default 40 hertz center. It's a default 100 hertz. I kind of make the bass a little too thin right there. Let's go 200 hertz. That's real thin. Maximum lows. That really got that bass rumbling. Then you have maximum low mids. So I like mine somewhere within the maximum lows, but let's go back. Let's go back to the default 40 hertz. We're back at the default 40 hertz. So it's only a couple knobs here. You have your amplitude, frequency, then you have the 40 hertz, 100 hertz, and then flat. So kind of the area I like to be in is the 100 and the flat and adjust from there. Let's play it and dial this in. That's bypassed. This is active. You hear me getting that nice little low end rumble. Kind of takes this bass to the next level right there. It's not too aggressive, but just aggressive enough to give you that feeling in your bones. Again, let's play it without. Like I said, this voice of God, man, it really don't take much to get the sound that you need, man, but it's a major, major addition to your mixes. Let's play again. Here's bypass. Let's bypass it. All right, now let's activate it. Whew. Do y'all hear that shine and that rumble that it gives to that bass, man? Like I said, this is amazing, amazing plugin to use. I'm going to play it one more time without it, just in case you guys need another sample, man. Let's hit play. This is bypassed. This is active. Which one do you guys like better? Like I said, I use both of these plugins. It just depends on what I'm doing and how the bass already sounds. Let's play the MV2, man. Let's hear the sound we get of that MV2. That MV2 really does sound good, man. Let's turn that off. Now let's go into this voice of God. Hey man, they both equally sound good to me, man. They sound different, but they sound good, man. Like the MV2 just adds that, it makes it cohesive, man. Just adds that glue to the bass. The voice of God just adds that additional rumble to it, man. Both of these are great plugins. If you're part of the UAD platform, I would definitely get the voice of God. But if you're part of the Waves, and the Waves is a lot cheaper, the MV2 is a lot cheaper. You can achieve that great bass sound with the MV2 as well, man. You just take your pick. Yes, sir. Ain't nothing like that bass cutting through those mixes, man. Do you guys use those two plugins? If not, what plugins do you use? Let's talk about it in the comments below, man. If you're using them, let's share them tips and tricks, dog. Let's help each other get better. Do me a favor. Be sure to check out my website, mixedbygels.com. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll catch you on the next one, baby. It's your boy, Gels. I'm gone.